I should have did this hand because now I'm going to touch it. Yeah, we'll just clean it. All right. Oh my. No, I can't do it.
You gotta keep adding more.
I have to keep adding more.
Yeah, you gotta put more on top.
How am I supposed to?
And then push it down.
It dripped blood onto his bowl. Why is it going out the other end? It's supposed to go out.
Spin it the other way.
I'm freaking trying here. No. That's really how they make it? No. No.